10 common mistakes that students make while preparing for their board exams. 1. Studying everything but mastering nothing. So concept clarity is very important when you are appearing for any board exam, be it O-levels, be it CBSE, be it IB. You have to understand your concept thoroughly. Second, ignoring the marking scheme. You need to know what structure your board is following. If it is a 2-marker, if it is a 3-marker, if it is an MCQ, how are you going to get this score? Third, panicking during exam. Anxiety makes you forget what you already know. So panicking before the exam is a no-no. Fourth, leaving past paper for last minute. You have to start past papers as early as possible. Fifth, not timing your past papers. If you are doing even a 20-mark test, even a 30-mark test or a full past paper, you have to keep a timer. Without the timer, if you are writing paper, it will not work. Great answers don't count if it doesn't make it on the paper, right? Keeping your weak topics. I will leave this topic as optional. Avoiding the topics won't make them disappear from your exam, right? 7th one, cramming the night before exam. Short-term memory is not your best friend here. You make sure you have to revise all the concept before, not the night before the exam. Next one is neglecting revisions. You have to revise. You have to write down formulas, you need to make your own notes, you need to practice. This is very, very, very important. 9th one, relying on tuition. Yes, tuitions are important. Yes, academic support is important. Self-study is the most important thing that you have to do. You need to know which are your weak topics, which is your difficult topics, which is your strong points. You need to revise. You have to have your notes. All of these things matter. And the last one, comparing yourself to others. My friend scored so and so. My friend did this and this. And my friend is sitting only for 1 hour. She's able to get an A. Comparing yourself is not a good idea because every child has their own pace and their own learning system. So you need to understand what works for you and not compare yourself with others. Here are the 10 tips that you should follow. And if you are a parent or a student who is appearing for any of the board exams and you need academic support, please contact on the given number and Anispedia is here to guide you.